Nagsimulang lahat.
Paolo, Jaja, best wishes sa inyong dalawa. Good luck. Sana magkaroon na rin kayo ng baby. God bless.
Ilang beses humindi, buti tadhana nang bumulong sa
Ang wish ko sa iyo, Paolo, Jaja, sana yung pagsasama nyo tumagal, tapos maging masaya kayo, huwag kayong mag-aaway, cool lang ang pagsasama. Best wishes ko yan sa inyo.
tahanan mo ako, di magbabago yun, at pag ika'y nawawala.
Congratulations, Paolo and Jaja. God bless!
Sa'yo, di mauubos yun, lalabanan ko lahat para sa'yo. Basta't nandito lang ako sa tabi.
Congrats and best wishes! Paolo and Jaja!
Congrats and best wishes, Jaja and Paolo. God bless. Congratulations, Mary and Mrs. Soto!
Ngunit nakayanin ko, pagkat walang mangganang pag-ibig niya.
Jaja and Paolo, best wishes and congratulations sa inyong dalawa. No matter what happened, enjoy lang. Hayaan mo yung mga trials na yan na nangyayari sa buhay nyo. Buti nga, dumaan na eh. Mahalaga is makasal kayo, be happy lang. Yun lang. God bless sa inyong dalawa.
Yun, best wishes sa inyo and congratulations na nakasal na kayo, and we're very happy for you.
Hanggat sa dulo ng ating pagmamahal, hanggat sa kunin tayo ng may kapal.
He knows it's you I pray for. He knows it's you I pray with. He knows you are my armor, my
Paolo and Jaja, congratulations. At least naganap na ang matagal niyong hinihintay. Sana sa pagsasama ninyo, manatili kayong matatag sa bawat isa.
perfect fit for the soul behind.
Who could have imagined? Nagplano itong dalawa, pero ang plano pa rin ng Panginoon ang dapat na matupad. Kaya pag may nagtanong sa akin, actually kausap ko yung misis ko kahapon, kasama ko siya dapat ngayon. Kaya lang talagang nagmotor na lang ako para makabawas sa alalahanin itong ating kakasalin. Sabi sa akin ng misis ko, sweetheart, ang plano ng Panginoon, yun pa rin ang matutupad. Sa makatwid, yung magaganap bukas, ang Diyos ang may plano niyan. Kaya masasabi ko na ito ay isang kasalan na ang Diyos ang nagplano, Jaja.
And beyond, we will let His will be done. 'Cause He knows that I am yours and you are.
John Paulo Aday Custodio, do you come here today with a pure heart and pure intention to join in marriage with Maria Stella Pitogo Huino, committing to love, honor, and cherish her for the rest of your lives together as Christ loves the church? Opo. Maria Stella Pitogo Huino, do you come here today with a pure heart and pure intention to join in marriage with John Paulo Aday Custodio, committing to love, honor, and cherish him for the rest of your lives together as Christ loves the church.
I do.
When the roads we take get rough, He knows that we can steer them back, and He's ever there to help us clear the path. All we know is He knows, and we follow His direction. Even though life is short, we'll share forever in salvation. Through this life and beyond, we will let His will be
Congratulations, Paulo and Jaja. God bless. Wish ko sa inyo, sana maging maligaya at masaya ang buhay nyo bilang mag-asawa.
Hello, Pao and Jaja. Salamat sa Panginoon at kayo ay pag-iisahing dibdib na. Congrats sa inyo and best wishes, and I pray that God will be the center of your marriage, and nawa ay biyayaan kayo ng maraming anak. Congrats, Pao.
Congratulations and best wishes, Paula and Jaja.
and it shows that with faith.
Hello, Pablo and Jaja. Happy wedding. God bless you both on this new journey of your life. Magmahalan kayo at piliin laging maging mabuti araw-araw.
Happy wedding.
Yay! Enjoy!
Enjoy.
And because of this, I give you my.
Paulo, you may now kiss.
I